curl. Okay, curls. Whew, it's hot. All right, let's get into it.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I see you. Way I breathe you.
Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Shan Moreno. For those who don't already know, for those who do know, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment. Let's get active on here. If you haven't already subscribed, let's do that right now. And we done. Let's get into this video. Oh my God, what is that? So now that you're subscribed, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a Steve Madden review. We about to get into some shoes, honey. Some Steve Madden shoes. I have rocked Steve Madden since I was in high school, probably. I remember one of my very first heels ever bought by my mama was from Steve Madden. Special shout out to Steve Madden for sending me this care package and allowing me to give an authentic product review and bringing me on board for this partnership this season. Oh, shout out to Dana Harris, a Steve Madden team member who was able to bring me on board this season, but also make sure that I got these amazing packages. Thank you, Dana girl. Thank you, Dana girl. All right, let's get into it. Rule number one, use a knife safely, properly. Steve Madden sent me two very heavy, you know what, this isn't safe. Sent me two very heavy boxes. One, Jesus, move the camera. One box, and two boxes of their newest styles that I'm super excited for. I can't stop saying I'm excited. I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm not sure how many shoes they've sent or which shoes they've sent, but I'm super excited. And yeah, and if I keep on looking down, it's because my monitor is right here, and I just want to make sure the girls and the curls and everything is looking right and together. All right, I'm not playing no more. Let's cut this open. I don't know which one to start with. I don't know. Let's do the big one. We can do the big one. Ugh, did that cut my light? I don't think so. Did it? Oh, it did. Nope. You're not gonna be here. I'm gonna cut you right here. Okay. This is so many shoes. Ma'am. Is she for real? Whew. Steve Madden. Okay, first one. Let's see. Oh my God. Look at these boots. This is, oh my God. Yeah, it's a go for me. Oh my God, look at that. That's cute. I like that. It's a white, a crispy white booty. Oh my God, and it has a beautiful zipper. Let me see. They smell good too. You know how some shoes they smell like somebody done been in them. Maybe them, you know, Nordstrom workers done stepped in them a few times. This one ain't been touched. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. And it's super, super, super soft leather. Wow. I don't even want to touch it too much. I don't want it to get dirty. That's beautiful. I love it. I will wear slimmer stilettos, but I prefer a thicker heel. This is gonna go real cute during the springtime before it get like real hot for summer and I can't wear these boots. But springtime, yeah. And even this fall, I be looking forward to fall. Y'all be loving the summertime fashion because y'all want to show y'all little asses. But ain't nothing like fall fashion. These are cute. Let me stop talking about fashion. Let me start talking about Steve Madden. These are super cute. Amazing quality. The leather is super soft. It's literally crispy white. Crispy white. I love this. This is amazing. The texture is just so soft. I don't even want to stop touching it. But we ain't got all day. So next, what's the second shoe gonna be? I'm nervous. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Steve Madden. I have been wanting, like dying for these little, I don't want to call them schoolgirl shoes. They're more like Oxfords. Look at that. They're like Oxfords, right? And typically you would see like schoolgirls wearing them and whatnot. And I don't know if they're back in style, but I love these. To me, these have never, ever gone out of style. I will rock these to the death of me. They're comfortable. I already know what to expect out of these. Ooh, this is a good choice. This is gonna be cute. I'm gonna wear this with a plaid skirt. And I can wear this summer too. But like, yeah, these are gonna be super nice, super comfortable. These are thick. You hear that? Look at that gold detail. You see that gold detail? Girl. And they heavy. I love that. These are cute. Hold on. Yeah, these are really cute. Like, especially if you're wearing like skirts and those little ruffle socks at the top, or even like a sleek business suit, and you just want to be like cool, so you get some dark shades, very dark academia. I can see it. I love these. I love these. La próxima. Oh yeah. Oh my God, look at that. It's glittering. I don't think I even own a pair of silver shoes. So this is gonna be interesting because I'm typically a gold person, but this is beautiful. I can already feel my vibe getting very Barbie, elegant Barbie when I wear this. Very like soft, feminine, maybe like a slip dress or even a wrap dress this summer. And the way that it wraps, look at that. I love that. It's studded out too. There's not one diamond missing. Let me check the other one, because you know sometimes, you know, these heels be missing diamonds. They be missing the diamonds. Nope. These diamonds all tacked together. And the heel is a little high. I would say it's about 3.5, 4 inches. So that can be a little intimidating, but I could do it. And don't let it be my birthday. Don't let it be my birthday, because your girl gonna do it. Another one. What? That's what I know. 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 Strappy heels, that's your girl. That's your girl. That's me. Look at how long the straps are. These straps are going to be to my kneecaps. You know what? That may not be that long because I'm only 5'5". But it's long for me. And the square toe, I love that trim. I love me a good square toe. First of all, I love me some nude colors because it's gonna look like I don't have any shoes on, but I do have shoes on. That's the same. That is my skin complexion, y'all. Okay, Steve Madden. This is also about 3.5, 4 inches. Don't let it be the first Sunday of the month. Don't let it be the first church Sunday of the month. You know what? Let me stop. beautiful. Thank you, Steve Madden. This makes me happy. And that's it for this box. No más. Let's see how many more are in here. So this is one shoe, one big shoe. I'm kind of nervous. What shoe can be this big? What shoe can be this big? Let's see. And for the big reveal, for the biggest shoe that I don't know, what kind of shoes are these? Y'all, I'm not even exaggerating. I have been saying that I want cowboy boots for about 2 years now. Every time I look for cowboy boots, they're either really, really, really run down, or they're super, super polished, or they don't have designs on them to make them look some sort of like interesting. And these look good. Yeah, these look good. Wow. They look so authentic. Wow, my God. Yeah, I think I'm more excited about these. I have been wanting cowboy boots for a minute. These look good. They look good in real life, and I can see that they look good on camera too. This is very authentic to the color, to the design, to the texture. They're solid. They're solid. Super solid. I love this. Wow. Girl, I'm finna get me a cowboy hat, some chaps, and a horse. We going to the Old Town Road, baby. I love these so much. I didn't even think that, I didn't even know that Steve Madden sold cowboy boots. These are cute. These are hot. I can't wait to try these on. I cannot wait. Out of all of the shoes, I think I'm more excited about this one. And I'm not even a country girl. I'm a city girl. I'm from Miami. I hope to be in a Western very soon. Wow. This is just so amazing. Because I've been rocking with Steve Madden for a minute. Whether he knew it or not, I've been rocking with him since high school. And this is just, I'm just so honored and blessed to be partnering with them. Seriously. I love their shoes. I've always loved their shoes. And I am super stoked to be working with them on this end. Because not a lot of people know, but I worked for Steve Madden for about a year when I was living in Miami. Because I like them that much. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Much love to everyone who's been supporting me from the beginning, who's been following me in my acting journey, but also to those new ones who are coming on board as I travel into this new space of being a content creator. I hope to see you in my next video. Whew, almost took me out. It's hot. It's a fan right here, so if y'all can hear it, just listen. My AC ain't working. Okay. Time to